Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Marker, and I'm back to do an enveloping of an item from the folks over at Horror Autographs. Now, what did I get in this year item? Enough chit chat? Oh, let's open it up and see what's inside. Like, right now, let's go! Here it is, y'all. Here it is. It's here. It's a Halloween 11 by 17 poster signed by 3 people from the movie. Alright, so where do we start? We start from here. One is signed by Charles Cyphers, who, of course, we lost him recently. He played Brackett, Sheriff Brackett, in the first 2 Halloweens, and then came back in Halloween Kills, but worked with John Carpenter in Assault on Precinct 13, and The Fog, and Escape from New York. And we have Nancy Loomis, Annie Brackett, the daughter, who also worked with Cyphers on Assault on Precinct 13 and The Fog and Halloween 2, but as a corpse in the scene. And then we have then she did Halloween 3 Season of the Witch, who of course was the real life What with Halloween's production designer Tommy Lee Wallace, who was also the editor and the set decorator for the movie. Yeah, Tommy Lee Wallace. They were married, by the way. So yeah. And then Tony Moran, Michael Myers, H1. So yeah, I have 3, best of all 3 in here. Oh yeah. And I'm going to be getting some other signatures. I'm going to get PJ Souls to sign her here. I'm going to get John Michael Graham. I'm going to have Tommy Lee Wallace sign this half. Maybe I'll have, and maybe Will Satin, who played Michael Myers H6, will sign here. I'm going to have Nick Castle sign there. Sandy Johnson, who played Judith Myers, I'm going to have that. And I'll probably have Erwin Yablon's signature somewhere here. But all in all, it's a great piece to add to the collection. So yeah, here it is, folks. A 11 by 17 Michael Myers Halloween poster. Did I say Michael Myers? No, a Halloween poster. So tell me, what do you guys think? Do you dig this? If you like content like this or any other content, please click the button on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinions related to the content? Comments down below. So yeah. So RIP to Mr. Brackett, Mr. Charles Cyphers. But yeah. My buddy Kursky Films met Nancy Loomis. Wonderful, wonderful actress. So yeah. And let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, the watch collectors, and all you collectors out there. Shouts to you collectors. And let's give a shout out to my subscribers. So yeah. And always appreciate thumbs ups. Always. So yeah. Plus, I mean, the YouTube community often posts what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the afternoon hours, the early evening hours, and what else? The early times. So you keep an eye on it daily to see what time is the video going to be going live, and then check it out. So yeah, folks. And that was from Horror Autographs, by the way. Let's give a shout out to Horror Autographs. Purchase whatever you like from there. So yeah. Anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Thursday, y'all, and later.